Welcome, doctors. Let's talk about something that sounds small, but can cause major headaches if it's missed: insurance eligibility verification. Now, I know it's not the most exciting topic. But trust me, this one detail can make or break your revenue cycle. I've seen it too many times: busy practices skipping or rushing through eligibility checks, and then wondering why claims are getting denied, payments are delayed, or patients are frustrated. So, let's walk through what really happens when eligibility is missed, and why fixing this one thing can save you time, money, and stress. First up, claim denials and delayed payments. When insurance isn't properly verified before the visit, there's a high chance that the claim will get rejected. Maybe the patient's coverage changed. Maybe the service isn't covered. Either way, now your billing team is spending hours reworking that claim, calling payers, and chasing down payment. And the cash flow? It slows down. Bills pile up. Payroll gets tight. You lose time and money. All because of one missed step. But that's not all. Let's talk about your patients. They walk in expecting their visit to be covered. You provide the care, and they walk out, only to get a surprise bill a few weeks later. That kind of shock isn't just frustrating, it damages trust. They start to wonder, does this practice have their act together? And once that trust is gone, it's hard to get back. Patients might leave. They might leave bad reviews. It all adds up, and not in a good way. Now here's the part a lot of providers don't talk about: the toll on your staff. When eligibility isn't done right up front, your billing team has to pick up the slack. That means more follow-ups, more paperwork, more angry patient calls, and way more stress. Eventually, staff get burnt out. You start losing team members. You're spending time hiring and training new people. And all of this pulls focus away from what matters most: caring for patients. So here's the big picture. Missed eligibility checks aren't just an oops, they're expensive. They're frustrating. And they can wear down your whole practice, financially and emotionally. But the good news? You don't have to do it all in-house. You can streamline the whole process by using automated tools or outsourcing eligibility verification to a trusted partner like Staffingly, Inc. They take care of the back-end checks, so you and your team can focus on what you do best: providing excellent care. So, doctors, don't let something as small as a missed eligibility check throw your whole operation off balance. Make it a priority, make it consistent, and when in doubt, get help from the pros. Thanks for watching, and take care of your team, your patients, and your revenue cycle.